Does your child like playing with sticks? Let's make playing with sticks educational and fun. Welcome back, Edelkampers, to another Tuesday Teachable Moment, where we explore, experience, and educate together. Read Not a Stick by Antoinette Portis. It's a great book. And if you don't have the book, then search YouTube for Not a Stick, read aloud, then enjoy together. Before turning on your book or reading it, ask the questions, what do you think this character is going to do with his stick? If you had a stick like this, what would you do with it? Read the story, and after reading the story, ask a couple of more questions like, do you think this character is having fun? Why? And who do you think is asking the questions in the book? This will help stimulate their thought process as they read. Prepare sight word flashcards to use after you have read the story together. The sight words that I picked out for Not a Stick were trip, is, it, stick, still, not, that, with, this. You can then review the book with your child, point at these words, and have them sound them out and read them to you. And then you can also create a second set and play memory game with them if they need to work on these sight words. Now let's go for a walk. Searching for sticks will provide a focus for your walk. You can use language to describe what you find. For instance, too big, too mushy, crooked, straight, short. So this will help with describing words. So collect as many sticks as you want to on your walk and bring them back to your campsite. Most children's books give way to mathematical opportunities. Today, and Not a Stick, we're going to take a second to talk about sorting. Sorting is a huge foundation for mathematics in young children. And we could sort our sticks by long and short, thin and thick, straight and not straight, lots of branches, or no branches. Another math concept that you can do if you've collected enough sticks is you can lay them out by twos and count them, fives, or tens. So a great counting mathematical idea as well. In this story, they show the character painting. So you can paint with your child using the stick, or you can practice those sight words in the dirt using the stick. I'm going to link up one of my teachable moments about playing in the dirt, working on sight words right above. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more of them, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Thank you.